Bismillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will talk about multiplying one digit by two digits. So, if you remember that the question that we solved last time about distributive property, when I say I need to multiply 5 times 18, you remember how we solved this one by using the distributive property? If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Malik, solve this question, please. How we solve this one?
Put a 5 and then put times bracket
Yes.
10 plus 18.
Yes, plus 8.
8. And then bracket 5 times 10.
Yes, then
Bracket plus bracket 5 times 8.
Okay.
Then 5 times 10 is 50, and 8 times 5 is 40. So at the bottom put 50 plus 40,
which equals
90.
90, yes. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so if you want to solve by using the distributive property, we just convert 18 to be 10 plus 8. Now we have another way if you need to multiply with a normal way, which is just I'm writing 18 times 5, the vertical way. How are we going to multiply this one? At the first, I'll multiply 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. 0 and carry up 4. So at the first, like addition, just writing the 1st digit, then carry up the 10th digit. So 5 times 1 equals 5, plus 4 equals 9. So the answer now is 90, the same as the previous one. Again for this one, 23 times 7. How we can multiply this one? I will start multiplying 7 times 3, which equals 21. 1 and carry up 2. 7 times 2 equals 14. Plus 2 equals 16. So that is the way of multiplication. If you didn't understand, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand this one, please raise your hand. Any problem for this one? Just 1 minute. What is the problem, Walid?
Mr. I enter late, but I need to understand.
So why you enter late? Question number 1, why you enter late? Question number 2, we didn't explain anything, just explaining that to the first question.
Yeah, I know that. Because
question number 1, why you enter late?
Mr.
We start. Sorry?
I don't have the link.
You don't have the link? I send you the link to the group. You will check, you will find that I'm sending from more than 5 minutes or 6 minutes. No, from 8 minutes, exactly, from 8 minutes. So don't say I don't have the link. And by the way, that is the link that we use in each time. I didn't change the number. So don't come late again, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So any problem for this one? Okay, so who can solve with me this question? Who can solve with me this question? Just raise your hand. Abdurrahman. We need to multiply 36 times 7.
Yes, Mr.
How we can solve this one?
Okay. 36 times 7. 7 times 6
equals
42. 2
yeah,
and carry
2
up 4.
and carry up 4.
7 times 3 equals 21. 21 plus 4 equals 25.
Okay. So the answer is 252. Any problem for this one?
No.
Okay. So who can solve with me the next question? Just raise your hands. Who can solve with me the next one? Who will solve with me? Yusuf Khattabi.
Yes,
You
Mr.
can multiply 57 times 4.
4 multiplied by 7 equal 28. We will put 2 up and 8 down.
8 and carry up 2.
And then 4 multiplied 22.
22. 4 times 8 equals 20 plus 2 equals 22. Okay. Thanks. So the answer will be 228. Is there any problem for this part? Is there any problem for this part? If you didn't understand, please raise your hand. Any problem? Okay. Yusuf Adil will solve with me the next one. So open your book, please, page 132. Page 132. Page 132. And Yusuf Adil will solve with me. We need to multiply 42 times 2. I just need to multiply. Leave estimation now. I need just to multiply.
40 times 22. Mister,
I say this question. I say this question. 42 times 2.
2 times 2. 4.
4.
4 times 2, 8.
2 times 4 equals 8. So the answer now, 42 times 2 equals 84.
84.
Okay. Who can solve with me the next one? Who will solve with me? Walid. Walid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Raise your hands, please, if you want to solve the next one. Okay.
1 multiplied by 3 equals 3.
No, start 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equals?
3 times 1 equals 3.
Okay. Then?
3 times 2 equals 6.
Okay. So the answer now will be 63. Okay.
Yes.
So, Malik. Malik?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then solve. Solve with me.
Okay, so 6 times 2, 12.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
And then 6 times 3.
6 times 2 equals 12.
18.
2 and carry up 1.
18 plus 1 is
Equals?
Is 19.
19.
And 1.
19. There is no one, there is nothing to carry up 1. So the answer now will be 192. So Yusuf Khattabi will be the next one. Yusuf Khattabi. Opening the mic, Yusuf Khattabi.
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
9 multiplied by 2 equal 18. We will put 8 and 1 up, and then 9 multiplied by 5 equal 45, and 45 plus 1 equal 46.
Yes, thanks, Yusuf. So the answer will be?
468.
Yes, thanks. So Abdurrahman, where is Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman is here. Okay. Abdurrahman.
Yes, Mister. The answer is 2,807.
Sorry?
The answer is 2,807.
How we solve it? I don't know how to solve it.
7 times 1 equals 7, and 7
Yes.
times 0 equals 0. 7
Yes.
times 4 equals 28.
Okay, thanks. So the answer will be 2,807. Okay. So Walid, question number 6. Question number 6. Okay.
Question number 6. 3 multiplied by 6.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Page 133. Who's asking me? Page 133. Page 133. Okay.
3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. 3
6.
multiplied by 1 equals 3.
Okay.
3 multiplied by 7 equals 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21.
21. Okay. So the answer will be?
The answer will be 2136.
Yes, thanks. So who will solve with me? Who will solve with me? Abdul Ghani. Yeah, Abdul Ghani. Solve with me question number 4. Abdul Ghani.
Yes.
Okay, solve question number 4, please.
23 words.
The timetable. The problem with the timetable, if you are not solving, if you are not memorizing the timetable, this lesson and all this chapter and the next one will be hard for you. So try to again memorizing the timetable. Okay, so we need Ahmed Cindy. Page 133. Page 133. Page 133. Ahmed Cindy. Ahmed Cindy is not here. Okay. Solve with me question number 7.
Number 7?
Yes. Hamza Naeem. Hamza Naeem. Hamza. Hamza. Hamza's not here. Jed. Jed. Jed is not here. Hamza. Hamza. Also Hamza is not here. I'm opening the mic for you, but I don't know the name. Just when you enter, please use your right name, please. Don't leave it as the default for the iPhone and write your full name, please. There is no one here. Kevin. Kevin.
Yes, mister.
Solve with me number 7.
3 times 9 equals 27.
Okay.
27.
So how I write 27?
First you write 27, then
Like-
you put in the first place.
27 like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you multiply 9 times 1 equals 9.
What about 4?
4. 4. Mister, in my book, I think it's showing 413.
I don't know about your book. I just look at the screen, leave the book. I said when we solve, leave your book and look at the screen. Maybe you open a wrong page.
Okay.
Which page did you open? Just 1 minute. Which page did you open?
133.
133?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So all of them. Are you sure that's 133?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay, solve with me question number 7. Kevin is not here. Turkey. Turkey. Also, Turkey is not here. Muhammad Tamer.
Yes, mister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Solve.
Look, the question, me and Kevin, the same thing. It's not right.
Different question. That's question number 7.
Yeah.
143. What is the answer? What is the number in your book?
413.
413 times 9?
Yeah.
By this way? Okay, maybe by mistake. Maybe that's the old version. So no problem. Just solve with me question number 7. And right?
Which
and
one?
solve
On the
mine,
book?
mine.
Yours?
Yes.
The question is
143 times 9.
yes.
I need you to solve this question. After that, we will solve
Can I
yours,
sol-
no problem. But we need to solve this one. This timetable, it's if you know the timetable, خلاص. And like the one who's driving the car, he can drive only his car. Driving a car is driving car. Riding a bicycle is riding bicycle. You can just ride anyone. So Muhammad Tamer, yeah, what problem?
Yeah.
Who can solve it? I'm asking all of the class. No one of the class is memorizing a timetable. There's a problem. Sayyid Ahmad. Sayyid Ahmad. Sayyid is not here. MashaAllah. Yeah, Abdul Malik. That's not the first time you open your camera, Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik, that's not the first time you open your camera. Yusuf Khattabi.
Yes, mister, I know the answer in the book and here.
I need you to solve with me this one. Leave the book now.
Okay. 9 multiplied by 3 we will equal 72. We will put 7 and then we will
9 times 3 equals 72?
27. Sorry,
Yes,
27.
27.
We
So,
will put 7 down and we will
And
put
2 up.
and
Okay.
then 9 and 4 equal 9 and 4 equal 36.
Yes.
We will put 6
36,
and
but
3
there's
up.
2. There's 2.
Yes, 6. We will put 8.
36 plus 2 equals 38. 8 and they carry up 3.
Yes, and 9 and 1 equal 9. 9 plus 3 equal 9 plus 3 equal 12.
Okay, so the answer now will be 1,287.
I did even in the book. Can I?
What
tell
is the number?
answer
What
in
is the
book?
number in the? What is the question at the book?
413
Times 9.
times 9. Yes.
Okay, so who will solve with me with this question?
I
Oh, I need another one. Yusuf Adil.
Yes,
Yusuf
Mr.
Adil. Okay, solve with me this one. Yusuf Adil, then the next one will be
3
Abdurrahman.
times 3 times 9,
Okay.
27. 1
Okay.
times 7, 7,
7.
2 up.
Carry
and
up
1
2.
times 9. 1 times 9, 9 plus 2, 11.
1 and
4,
carry up 1.
4 plus 4 multiplied by 9 equal 4 multiplied by 9 equal 63 plus
No, just 1. 4. 9 times 4.
63. No, 36 I mean, because Arabic is this.
Just 1 minute. Okay. So, 4 times 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. Plus 1 equals?
37.
Okay, 37.
It's 3,717.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Mr. for choosing me.
Okay. Type again. I said more than one time, don't open your camera because you are disturbing me and disturbing the other. And again, some of you is opening the camera. So if you open your camera, don't ask me that I want to enter again the session. خلاص? Because you are disturbing the others. You are disturbing the other. There's no place to open the camera here. I'm not asking anyone to open the camera. One more time, don't open your camera. When you find yourself in a waiting room, it's mean you open your camera and you are disturbing the others. خلاص? Question number 8, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, solve with me question number 8, please.
Mister, I know the answer. I said or I saw.
Solve it with me. When you find that horizontal, just write in a vertical way. Just write 31 times 5. In a
31
vertical
times
way.
5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15.
Okay, so thanks. 155. So we have Walid to solve the next one, then Malik. Walid. Yes, Abdurrahman. Yes, Abdurrahman.
Mister, I think you are in another volume.
Not volume, maybe another, maybe that's the old version. The mine is old version. So we can solve just multiplication. That's a multiplication question. You have another question. After finishing this one, you can just solve it and send it to me and I will check if the answer is right or wrong. Multiplication is multiplication, yeah. If you can multiply or not. Okay? So maybe we have different questions. When I'm explaining different question, but that's the same idea. Maybe different question. Okay? Maybe the ebook that I have is different question, the old version. So we need Walid. Walid.
Yes, Mister.
Solve with me question number 9. We have horizontal, so we'll write it as a vertical, 208 multiplied by 3. So solve with me this one.
Now, 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. We put, and then we get the 2 up.
Okay, 4 and 2 up.
And then 3 multiplied by 0 equals 0. Plus 2 equals 2.
Okay.
And 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6.
Okay. Thanks. So Malik, just 1 minute to open the mic for Malik. Malik. We need question number 10, 47.
Yes,
47 times 6. How we solve this one?
Okay, 7 times 4 is
7 times 4? That is yes.
Is 42.
So 2 and carry up 4.
And then 6 times 4 is 24. Now 28 because of the
Plus 4 equals 28. Okay, thanks. So who can solve with me the next one? Only Yusuf. Only Yusuf who can solve. Ibrahim Galhoum. Okay, Ibrahim.
It's easy.
Okay, 211 times 7.
7 times 1 equals 7, then 7 times 1 again equals 7. Then 7 times 2 equals 14. That means 1,476.
Okay, thanks. So the next one will be, we need another one. Walid. Walid, 182 times 6.
Okay.
Okay.
6 multiplied by 2 equal 12.
Okay.
We put the
2.
2 and we put the 1 up.
Yes.
And then 8 multiplied by 6 equals 48.
Plus 1.
Plus 1 equals 49. We put the 9, we put the 4 up.
Okay.
6 multiplied by 1 equals 6. Plus 4 equals 10.
Okay. So the answer will be?
1092.
Okay, thanks. So the next question. Who will solve with me the next question? We need one who didn't solve. I need another one. Again, I'm choosing Hamza Naeem. Hamza Naeem is closing the mic. There is no mic with Hamza Naeem. Okay. Turkey.
Yes, mister.
Solve with me. That's the second time I'm calling you. The first time you wasn't here, I think.
Oh, my mind.
Okay. Solve with me question number 13. This one. Leave the one at the book. If the one at the book is different, leave this one.
No, not different.
The same?
Yes, the same.
Okay, solve with me, please.
6 multiplied by 7.
Hmm.
24.
No?
42.
42. 2 and carry up 4. Then?
By 0.
Hmm?
Plus 4. 4.
4.
7, 8.
7 times 8?
56.
Okay. So the answer now would be?
5,642.
Yes, thanks. So we need the next one. Who will solve with me the next one? Who will solve with me? Said Ahmed. Said Ahmed. Said Ahmed is not here. Ahmed Sindi. Ahmed Sindi. Ahmed Sindi is not here. Abdul Ghani. Yeah, Abdul Ghani.
Mr. Go up because I don't write.
Can you solve this one with me? Solve question number 14, then we can go up to right.
Okay.
Okay. Question number 14. 1747 airplane can carry to 420 passengers. How many total passengers can 3 planes carry?
40.
1747 airplane can carry 420 passengers. How many total passengers can 3 planes carry? Who can solve this one with me? Who can solve this one with me? Yusuf Adil. Yusuf Adil. Yusuf Adil is not here. All of the class is not here. Just opening the session and leave it. Abdurrahman.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Only few students who are solving with me. Abdurrahman, Malik, Yusuf Khattabi, and who else?
Number 15?
Yes.
Okay.
Tamer is not. Tamer don't want to solve with me today.
747 airplane can carry
420
passengers. How many total passengers can their planes carry? I don't multiply.
How you multiply? Which number that you have to multiply?
The 2.
Which 2?
747.
You understand this question? Did you understand it? 1747 airplane. That's the name of the plane. The name of the name of the flight itself. The number of the flight. Okay? So for this plane, this type of planes that can carry 420 passenger. So for each plane, that is the first one, can carry 420 passenger. This one is called 747. Whatever the name, leave the name now. If this name is called X, whatever the name, so I will not use the name. How many passengers that the airplane can carry? 420. So how many total passengers can carry by 3 planes? How many planes that we have? We have 3. That's 1, 2, and 3. The first one can carry 420, and the second one also can carry the same number, which is 420. The third one is 420. So which operation that we'll use now?
420 times 3.
Yes, because that's repeated of addition. We will add the first one and adding the second one. So we will add 423 times.
How do you know it's 3 times?
Because it's a 3 airplane. 3-1.
Oh yeah.
How many total passenger can 3 planes carry? The first one can carry 420, and that's the second, and that's the third. So it will be 420 times. You understand it or not?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So how we
3 times 0 equals 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 4 equals 12.
So we have 1,260 passengers. Okay, thanks. Is there any problem for this lesson? Any problem for this lesson? Do you have any problem? I will put all of the hands down. If you have any problem, just raise your hand. Do you have any problem for this one?